Let's embark on a journey through New York City, a place that truly never sleeps. Here's a brief outline of what you can expect. A city of towering skyscrapers, vibrant streets bustling with diverse individuals, an unending rhythm of life, and a myriad of thrilling experiences. Now picture this, the symphony of life playing out against a backdrop of towering skyscrapers. The city's skyline, a testament to human ambition and architectural prowess, reaching for the heavens in a ceaseless pursuit of progress. The city's streets, arteries pulsating with energy, teem with people from all walks of life, each with their own unique story, each adding a distinct flavor to the city's vibrant tapestry. The constant hum of traffic, the whirl of activity, the rhythm of footsteps on the sidewalk, the city's heartbeat never slows, never pauses, like a well-oiled machine tirelessly working around the clock. And amidst all this hustle and bustle, there's a sense of harmony, a beautiful chaos that somehow makes perfect sense. This is the city of dreams, the city of opportunities, where every moment holds the promise of something new, something exciting. So buckle up and get ready to explore the best places in this magnificent city. Today we are taking you on a journey to one of America's greatest symbols, the Statue of Liberty. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll dive into the statue's history, from its unveiling in 1886, to its representation of the Roman goddess Libertas. Next, we'll talk about how you can experience this monument firsthand, with a trip to the statue's pedestal for breathtaking views of Manhattan. Finally, we'll discuss the significance of this iconic figure that has been welcoming all who arrive in New York City. So let's get started. First up on our list is the iconic Statue of Liberty. Rising majestically New York Harbor, this colossal neoclassical sculpture has been a beacon of freedom and democracy since its unveiling. The statue, a gift from France, represents the Roman goddess Libertas, bearing a torch and a tabula ansata, upon which is inscribed the date of the American Declaration of Independence. Visiting the Statue of Liberty is a journey into the heart of America's narrative. It's a must-visit for its historical significance and the panoramic views of Manhattan's skyline from its pedestal. To get there, hop on a ferry from Battery Park in Lower Manhattan. Be ready to be awestruck by the sheer size of this monument, standing at over 300 feet tall. The Statue of Liberty is a symbol of freedom and democracy that stands tall, welcoming all to the city. This iconic symbol, set against the backdrop of the bustling metropolis, is a sight to behold. In our next scene, we're voyaging to the beating heart of New York City Central Park. Here's an outline of what we will cover. 1. Introduction. A sanctuary amidst the urban jungle. 2. Changing landscapes, the captivating seasonal colors. 3. Lakes, a tranquil escape from city stress. 4. Notable attractions. Strawberry Fields and Central Park Zoo. 5. Activities, from biking to yoga to watching street performers. 6. Conclusion, the enduring love for green spaces in city life. Now let's dive into this verdant oasis sprawling over 843 acres. It's a natural sanctuary right in the midst of the urban hustle and bustle. As you step into Central Park, you're greeted by the lush landscapes that change their hues with each season. The verdant greens of summer, the fiery red and orange hues of autumn, the stark whites of winter, and the vibrant blossoms of spring all create a beautiful tapestry of colors that is nothing short of mesmerizing. The park's beautiful, lakes another sight to behold. Whether it's serenely gliding in a rowboat on the lake, watching model sailboats skim across conservatory water, or marveling at the reflections in Turtle Pond, the lakes of Central Park offer a tranquil escape from city life. But Central Park isn't just about natural beauty, it's also home to some notable attractions. Take Strawberry Fields for instance. This quiet, teardrop-shaped landscape is a tribute to the late Beatle John Lennon, and is named after his famous song, Strawberry Fields Forever. It's a poignant spot that resonates with music lovers from around the world. And then there's the Central Park Zoo, a place that's as fun as it is educational. Home to an array of exotic animals from sea lions to snow leopards, it's a place where children and adults alike can learn about wildlife and conservation. Central Park is also a hub for activities. You can rent a bike and explore the winding paths, join a yoga class on the Great Lawn, or simply sit back and watch talented street performers. Whether it's a leisurely stroll or a picnic, Central Park is a place to relax amidst nature in the city. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature, immerse yourself in culture, and take a breather from the fast-paced city life. This park truly is the heart of New York City, a testament to the city's enduring love for green spaces and outdoor living. In this scene, We will embark on a journey to the heart of New York City, Times Square. We will explore its dazzling neon lights, world-renowned Broadway theaters, diverse shopping and dining options, and delve into its iconic New Year's Eve ball drop tradition. From there, we'll deeper into what makes this place a vibrant symbol of the city and its cultures. Get ready to experience the pulsating energy that truly embodies the spirit of New York City. No visit to New York City is complete without a stop at Times Square. Imagine at the center of the universe where the energy is so palpable you can almost touch it. There's no place on Earth quite like Times Square. This bustling hub, nestled in the heart of Manhattan, is a symphony of neon lights that drape the cityscape, casting an ethereal glow that dances in the night. It's a sight that's as breathtaking as it is iconic. Beyond the mesmerizing lights, Times Square is home to the world-renowned Broadway Theater District. Here, dreams are born and stars are made. The marquee lights of Broadway theaters flicker with the promise of unforgettable performances, stories that move the soul and melodies that stir the heart. It's a place where artistry and entertainment meet, creating a cultural melange that's uniquely New York. And the allure of Times Square doesn't stop at its theatrics. It's a veritable paradise for shoppers and foodies alike. From flagship stores of global brands to quirky boutiques that offer rare treasures, Times Square is a shopping haven that caters to every whim and fancy. When it comes to dining, you're in for a treat. An array of eateries dot the landscape, offering everything from gourmet meals to quick bites, reflecting the rich culinary tapestry. But perhaps, one of the most enduring images of Times Square is the annual New Year's Eve ball drop. This century-old tradition sees a dazzling crystal ball descend atop one Times Square, marking the passage of the old year and the birth of the new. It's a spectacle that brings together millions, united in celebration and hope. Times Square is more than just a tourist destination, it's a symbol of the city's dynamism, its relentless pace and its vibrant spirit. It's a place where dreams, cultures and experiences intersect, making it truly the crossroads of the world. Times Square, with its pulsating energy, truly embodies the spirit of New York City. Let's embark on a journey that traverses through time and cultures. A journey set in the grandeur of the Metropolitan Museum of Art, also known as the Met. Here's an outline of what we're about to explore. 1. The vast history and diversity of the Met's collection, spanning over 5,000 years, from the pharaohs to abstract expressionism. 2. A walk through the grand halls, a new civilization, a new era at each turn. 3. The wonders of ancient Egypt and the Greek and Roman empires, their artifacts and sculptures telling stories frozen in marble. 4. The intricate tapestries of the medieval and Renaissance periods, where every thread tells a tale. 5. The grandeur of European paintings and sculptures, a testament to the evolution of art and thought. 6. The Met's contemporary side, its impressive collection of modern art by Picasso, Warhol and Pollock. Navigating the Met tips to explore the galleries and the tools available to you. Now let's immerse ourselves in this cultural feast. This extraordinary museum, affectionately as the Met, is a treasure trove of art and history that spans over 5,000 years. From the ancient times of the pharaohs to the modern era of abstract expressionism, the Met's collection is as diverse as it is vast. Picture yourself walking through the grand halls, where each turn introduces you to a new civilization, a new era. You might find yourself in the midst of ancient Egyptian artifacts, their hieroglyphics whispering tales of a time long past. Or perhaps you'll encounter legion of Greek and Roman sculptures, their marble forms frozen in a moment of myth and legend. As you, through the museum, you'll uncover the intricate tapestries of the medieval and Renaissance periods, where every thread weaves a story of faith and power. You'll marvel at the grandeur of European paintings and sculptures that span centuries, showcasing the evolution of art and thought. But the Met isn't just about the past. It also houses an impressive collection of modern and contemporary art. Here you'll find works by the likes of Picasso, Warhol and Pollock, artists who dared to see the world in a different light and change the face of art forever. Navigating this colossal museum can be a daunting task. But don't worry, there's no need to see everything in one visit. Pick a few galleries that pique your interest and take your time to explore them. Use the museum's map and audio guides to help you navigate and learn about the exhibits. Remember, the Met is not just a museum, it's an experience, a journey through the annals of human creativity. The Met, with diverse and expansive collection, offers a unique journey through time and space. So whether you're a seasoned art connoisseur or a first-time museum goer, the Metropolitan Museum of Art promises a cultural feast that's sure to satiate your appetite for art and history. Before we embark on our virtual voyage of New York City, here is the itinerary. We will start with an exploration of the city's awe-inspiring sights and bustling streets, followed by a visit to the iconic Statue of Liberty, standing tall in New York Harbor. Then we venture into Central Park, the heart of the city, and an urban oasis of lush greenery and tranquil lakes. Our journey continues to Times Square, the crossroads of the world, where every moment is a celebration. We will conclude our tour at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, a cultural feast spanning 5,000 years of history. Now let's dive into the vibrant culture of New York City, a place where every corner has a story to tell. We've journeyed together through the city that never sleeps, seen its famed landmarks, and experienced its vibrant culture. Let's take a moment to reflect on the highlights of our virtual voyage. We began our journey with the awe-inspiring sights of the city, a symphony of lights and sounds that captivates the senses. The towering skyscrapers, the hustle and bustle of the streets, New York City showed us why it is indeed the city that never sleeps. Next, we visited the iconic Statue of Liberty, a symbol of freedom and hope that has welcomed countless immigrants to the United States. Standing tall in New York Harbor, Lady Liberty is a testament to the enduring spirit of America, and a must-see for any visitor. From there, we ventured into Central Park, the heart of the city. This urban oasis, with its lush greenery and tranquil lakes, is an escape from the city's fast-paced life. Whether for a leisurely stroll or a fun-filled picnic, Central Park is a place that invites relaxation and enjoyment. Then we found ourselves at Times Square, the crossroads of the world. The dazzling billboards, the bustling crowds, the vibrant energy. Times Square is a place like no other. It's a place where the world comes together, and every moment is a celebration. We ended our tour at the Metropolitan Museum of Art, a cultural feast. With its vast collection spanning 5,000 years of history, the Met offers an unrivaled journey through the world's art and culture. It's a that inspires and educates, a place that every art lover should visit. That's a wrap on our virtual tour of New York City. Remember, the city has much more to offer. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, please subscribe to Horizon Harbor. Until next time, keep exploring.